Welcome to Explore with RJ, your ultimate resource of unlocking the world. I am Raj Nani, a travel enthusiast dedicated to bringing you the best in travel guides, tips, and hidden tips. So, guys, as we are traveling to one of the best places of Vietnam, first we are covering this eggshell exhibition where materials are made up of egg shells, so you can see that eggshell art is a traditional Vietnamese craft that is subset of the bottle lacquer industry. This crushed eggshells, typically from ducks, are used to create a mosaic-like effect on items such as painting, vases, balls, and decorative boxes. The pieces of cells are carefully arranged to form images and then covered with a clear lacquer, creating a smooth, glossy finish. The resulting works are often a blend of fine art and traditional craft, depicting classic Vietnamese scenes like lotus flower, landscapes, and women in traditional art dye dress. So guys, here you can buy their eggshell crafted balls or everything you can buy from them. And this is the outside. I was waiting for a coconut coffee here, and the best part is it's sunny. So guys, after having some snacks and थोड़ा बहुत खरीदारी करने के बाद हम लोग निकल पड़े हैं सीयूची टनल्स में, जो कि वियतनाम मेकोंग एंड जो हो ची मिन सिटी के अंदर है. एंड आई विल बी गिविंग यू लाइव एक्सपीरियंस हम करेंगे, एंड उसके साथ साथ बहुत सारे चीज़ें मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी, कैसे वो ट्रैप करते थे, कैसे एवरीथिंग टोटल. सो अब मैं पहले टिकट्स ले लेती हूँ, देन वी कैन प्रोसीड. कुची चैनल इसका नाम है, सो यू कैन सी दैट. जैसे ही टिकट्स ले लिए तो अब हम जा रहे हैं Su Chi Tunnel, an expensive underground tunnel network in Vietnam built by the Viet Cong and expanded during the Vietnam War to serve as a base for fighting against French and American forces. The construction started in 1940s. The tunnel was originally a hiding place from French air raids and were significantly expanded during the Vietnam War. The tunnel served as a communication and supply routes, living quarters, hospitals, and storage for the Viet Cong. They also featured hidden trapdoors and booby traps to evade enemy troops. The network extends for more than 250 kilometers underground. The Cu Chi Tunnel is a massive underground network located in the Cu Chi district of Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Originally dug by Viet Minh during the war against French colonial forces in 1940s. The tunnels were a critical strategic base for the Viet Cong, allowing them to launch surprise attacks on American and South Vietnamese forces and then disappear underground without a trace. So guys, जैसे कि आप लोग देख रहे सब अंदर जा रहे थे, तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना मैं भी जाऊँ, कुछ तो थ्रिलिंग एडवेंचर हो जाएगा. तो फिर मैं भी अंदर गई, एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई एक्सपीरियंस. यू कैन सी दैट.
You want to lift up that one? Lift up that one over your head and take photo. Yeah, over your head take photo. 3 lifts nicely. Yes, very good. Yeah, over your head smiling. Look at camera for photo. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. You're beautiful, huh? Yeah, that's really, really. Very good. Hands up first. Hands up. Look at camera. Beautiful. Very good. See
The trace. More than just hiding spots, the tunnel were self-sufficient, multi-layered complex. They housed living quarters, kitchen, hospitals, weapon factories, and command centers, effectively becoming entire underground villages. The tunnels were designed to be bomb resistant and featured hidden entrances, booby traps, and clever ventilation systems that diffused cooking smoke to avoid detection. The Cu Chi tunnels are a powerful symbol of the Vietnamese people's determination, resilience, and ingenuity in the face of the technologically superior enemy.
this truck to trap some tiger lion. When American come here with American. Actually, this truck will make American less stronger. Go to the tunnel to get the oxygen. Oxygen, air ventilation. You know why did you make here? Because here there may be lowland is raining, leaking water. Or the bomb explosion here by the soil cover the pine, no more oxygen. That's why we make here something like termite for any location. Will be more surface, more oxygen. You know that's why they don't so scary because from both sides they will pitch their flesh. Yeah, this one the frequent armor trap. Normally you going to falling down, right? Automatic, you have to raise up your hand. So you push the one, push in the middle. So the spy from two sides they will stand straight and then just click your armor. It's a rolling trap. Rolling trap like that. We have another pin. Underneath the body massage. Rolling in the deep, okay? So the middle trap. Like a ready to pull it in the middle. They pull it. They push that one and pull it the spine and get it the skin for some time. This is the forage here. So ladies and gentlemen, during the war they still have some local house in the forest. Nobody inside the house will get go. They make the trap behind the man. See this one? The first time one no windy. This is the main thing make it windy. So when you come out to make big fire, this comes just a bomb shell. You put the fire on and then you the hammer to make the knife on the spot. Some of the big bomb in the forest never explodes. Big bomb, the first bomb will make the other to recycle. They do a handsaw. Metal may be hitting when the people do handsaw. That's right. They put water and prevent it to explode. After that, they take out the fire. Okay, come here, my roof, come here. Yeah. You will bury underground. This one put on the land, we painting the red colors, camouflage. So this one the tank bus by, to break this one activated this dilemma explosion. This one connecting together. Explosion to destroy the weak end of the tank. Destroy it.
तो गाइस यहाँ पे आप आके फायरिंग कर सकते हो. यू विल गेट मतलब 1 मिलियन डाउन अगर दोगे तो आपको बुलेट तो ऐसे ही 150 डाउन दोगे तो आपको 2 बुलेट्स ऐसे ही दिया जाएगा. एंड आपको उसके लिए पे करना पड़ेगा. एंड यू विल गेट AK-47 एंड मैनी मोर राइफल्स वेयर यू कैन शूट विथ अ रियल बुलेट्स एंड गन. सो हियर वी गो. अंदर अगर आप लोग जाओगे तो वहाँ पे एग्जीबिशंस भी है जहाँ पे मैंने मम्मी के लिए ब्रेसलेट लिया था. एंड वो सारे रियल्स होते हैं. एंड यहाँ पे आपको काउंटर से टिकट्स लेने पड़ेंगे. एंड यहाँ पे प्राइस सब लिखा हुआ है, कितना है क्या है, कितने बुलेट्स कितने डोंग में मिलेंगे वो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. सो यू कैन एन्जॉय दोज मोमेंट.
You come here only one time, okay? Yes. It's one experience. You think you can do experience. Mind your forehead, okay? Take it on the way. Take care your forehead, your money, your souvenir, whatever.
So we are entering into the tunnel right now. So this is the tunnel.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Together. Later. One photo. Okay, let's go. Experience. Sit down.
I need to sit.
I'll get from England. Hello, come with me. You are good? Good?
Good. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Phát giờ này, ra này. Yeah, yeah.
Sit. Come, you can come.
Give me back, give me back. Sit down, I'll make one more. Okay, okay.
Bạn còn chụp hình được là 86 tuổi đi.
Wow.
Medicine to reduce pain food. Sometimes operation, no medicine. Pain food a lot. And then I wait for you other side the river. Okay? Hope you can come, huh? Easy, but she can do. Oh, she even can do Hope to see you again.
Sure. In Sangwe River. So this is the tunnel where we are crawling. आपल्या इतकं म्हणून बरं आहे. अच्छा, दिस इज अ ट्रायंगल रूम.
हा हे ट्रायंगल आहे इथे.
पकडू.
नाही नाही. इथे ट्रायंगल आहे.
So this is an तो गाइस अब ये ख़त्म हुआ है यहीं पे. सो अब हम निकल रहे हैं खाना खाने के लिए. जोर से बहुत भूख लग रही है. यहाँ पे अब हम पहुँच चुके हैं और ये जो बुफे है वो अरेंज किया गया है बाय दिस एजेंसी कॉल्ड कश्ती एडवेंचर, जो कि उन्होंने ये अरेंज किया है टोटल बुफे, जो कि हम लोग का इंक्लूडेड था इस पैकेज के अंदर. सो आप लोग व्यूज़ देखो, तब तक के लिए हम खाना खा लेते हैं. तो गाइस जैसे कि आपको पता है आज हमारी सुबह से ट्रिप थी. 6 बजे से हम लोग की ट्रिप थी एंड ये ख़त्म होते होते रात हो जाएगा, क्योंकि हम लोग को एक और जगह जाना है जो कि ये नाम है मेकोंग डेल्टा रिवर. वहाँ पे 5 आइलैंड हैं, उन सारे आइलैंड को कंप्लीट भी करना है. सो अभी थोड़ा पेट भर के खाना खा लेते हैं, तब तक आप देखो. गाइस वीडियो को ज़्यादा स्ट्रेच ना करके मेकोंग डेल्टा रिवर जो इसके बाद वाला ट्रिप है उसको हम दूसरे एपिसोड में दिखाएंगे. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.